What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So y'all know, if you've been following along, that my truck has about 200 and I think we're at 225,000 miles on it now. The parts are gonna start wearing out. Interior parts, not so much, but they do tend to happen. So I had a very common issue happen with mine that I couldn't really find a replacement for that I liked. Well, my wife stepped it up and she found one. We're going to install it today because she is tired of my old man towel. And if you don't know what that is, I'm fixing to show you, and we're gonna get this part put on. But what I'm talking about is we finally got us a new center console armrest cover, because, you know, well, I'll just show you what we're talking about. All right, let's hop up in here. Go ahead and toss that up in there. Okay, so if you're questioning what I meant by the old man towel, this right here. You know what I'm talking about? A lot of older people, they'll put the towels up on the dash and they put them, you know, pretty much over anything that people touch to keep it from ruining. And that's kind of what we've got going on here. So we'll move the towel. That's what we got right there. And most of you know, but I'll go ahead and explain it. That is from where you sit your elbow when you're driving. Over time, it's going to just break down and start deteriorating. And that's when you start having issues. So what we're putting on today is going to cover this up. And I feel like it's going to improve the interior look. Get it back to, you know, I'll say at least an 8 out of 10, because it does have, like I said, 223,000 miles on it. All right, first things first, what I did was, you know, like I said, remove the towel. And we're going to take it. Like I said, it's super simple install. Put this up. Don't mind all that. Take it, slide it over this side right here. This side right here. Pull it down past the first little spot. Go down to the second spot right here. You pull it all the way till it hangs over the ends. And then it's got these straps that go around where your locks are. Get it all situated the way you want. And we're done. Now this install, like I said, I mean, super simple. And I think she ended up getting it on the Prime Day or whatever they call it for like $25–30. But I mean, look at that. That just gets rid of that nasty dingy towel. Gets rid of this old garbage here. We put it back to looking pretty good. Now I told her the only thing I got to do now is I got to see about getting the old diamond stitched seat covers to match it. So this is a little quick video. Like I said, just small touches. Make the interior look a lot better. Look like it's still holding up pretty well. You got any questions? I'll find the link, put it in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.